Hey everybody out there in the nation. Today we're going to be installing a vent cap in this gas can. As you can tell, it's moving around because the heat has expanded it so much. You could just go ahead and open up the spout and release the pressure, but we're going to have a vent cap installed to make a little bit easier to pour too. Let's go ahead and just remove the vent cap a little bit. Knock that pressure out of there, and then we're going to work on getting the vent cap installed. This is the particular kit that I purchased off Amazon. You can see the model, part number there, SKU number. 3 vents and 1 drill bit. So let's go ahead and start this process. I have the drill bit ready to go and the drill. So what I'm looking for is either I'm going to put it here on this flat surface or next to the seam. I don't want to do it actually on the seam. There is a flat surface here also. So whichever one works out best, that's where it's going to go. You can see the flat rubber grommet at the end. I'm actually going to go in this area here and just make sure I stay on this side of the seam. I have the hole drilled. You can see there's a little plastic here, so I'm going to just get a little reamer tool or a little razor blade and just make sure that all that plastic's gone so it'll sit nice and flush. Went ahead and used the blade to get all these edges smoothed out so they're nice and flat, and then we'll get started here getting it screwed in. I just literally started this by hand. It's basically a self-tapping valve. We're just going to get this screwed down far enough until it's nice and snug and our gasket, rubber gasket, seated. There we go. Now it does have a little slot here if you wanted to put a flat-headed screwdriver on there, but I don't think that's necessary. We might actually torque this down a little bit more, but that's it. Otherwise, you're just gonna put the nice little rubber cap on it, pop it off, your valve's open. Pretty simple, pretty basic. That's it, folks. Now we got a nice vent cap installed. Next time that you're pouring gas in a lawnmower, it's gonna be super smooth. You're not gonna have to deal with the slow then fast with the gurgle. Anyways, please feel free to subscribe, like, share. I got some more videos coming at you guys. Thanks.